Hi guys, we got this dining table from Vala Vestia today. So I'm excited to put this together. This is the top as well as some beautiful framework for the bottom at the base of the table. It's going to look really stylish. It does come with the instructions and it looks very, very easy to put together. It has all the hardware and tools needed to get the job done. So I'm going to get this put together and show you the end result here shortly. So it's pretty self-explanatory. They are correct. All the tools and hardware that are in here are needed, and you can complete this job. No problem. Right now, I just finished using this tool that they offer in the package to put the top of the table together. So as you can see, it looks really good. So the process is quite easy, and as I said, smooth. And the directions are very self-explanatory, so easy to read. So if it's just you at home and you don't have anybody with you, you can put this together in a jiffy. So we'll be right back with the final touches. Okay guys, so we got the table put together. We put the base on top here, and we have this beautiful accent piece, wood slatted accent piece that we're gonna put around the base here. So we start right here in the center where this Velcro is, and you're gonna meet that up right there in the center, so that way everything goes together smoothly. And then you just press it down just like this, and then it's so bendable that you can just go right around the back here and press on it some more so it will stick for you. All right, we've got the table from Vala Vestia all set here for you to look at. It looks really good in my dining room area. I do like the light look, the light color, as well as that nice wood look pattern around the bottom. I would tell you that this is actually a natural wood look overlay. It is not solid wood. So my experience as a mother, I really do appreciate keeping furniture for a long period of time. So I would go ahead and put a clear cover over the top of it so you can still enjoy the look of the table while protecting it. I do love these rounded edges. That's also nice because we all know how it is to walk around the table and have it, you know, hit you in the hip. So anywho, I give this table 2 thumbs up for what type of table it is quality wise. And if you would like to order it, just click on the link below. Thank you.